Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an infinity symbol. So let's get into it. To start, I'm going to grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Then I'll change the fill color to none, lift the stroke to black, and change the stroke width to 100 point. Next, I'm going to right click on the circle and select Convert to Curves. Or I can also go to Vector menu here at the top and select Convert to Curves. Then with the node tool selected, I'll drag this node a bit to the right and click Convert to Sharp here at the context toolbar. After that, I'm gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J, select the Move tool, and go to the top here, click Transform, and click Flip Horizontal. Now I'll drag it here so both of these nodes meet. I'll press Ctrl A to select all, go to the Boolean tool here, and click Add. I'll drag them to the center, and here's our infinity symbol. I'm gonna right click here and select Expand Stroke. Now let's give it some color. I'll select the Fill tool and drag the gradient path from this side to this side. Then I'll select this point and select purple. Then click this point and I'm gonna select yellow. We can still add more effects to the symbol. Let's click the pen tool and draw a line here. Change the width to 1 point. Grab the node tool, make it curved. Then I'll select the stroke width tool and drag the center of the line to make it thicker. Just like this. Change the color to white. Go to the Layers panel, click Filters here, and select Gaussian Blur. Now slide the radius about 7 pixels and click Close. So we've got a highlight here. Now let's add another one. I'll grab the pen tool again and draw a line from here to here. Click the node tool, make it curved. Select the stroke width tool, drag the center to make it thicker. Click Filters at the bottom of the Layers panel, select Gaussian Blur, and set the radius to 7 pixels. Next, let's duplicate both of them. I'll grab the Move tool, then select both highlights. Copy them by pressing Ctrl C and paste by pressing Ctrl V. Then rotate them. Now I'll move them to the bottom of the symbol. Select this one and change the color to darker purple. And for this one, I'll change the color to darker yellow. To dark brown actually. So now our infinity symbol is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Drop me a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and good day.